Oh, geez. Ooh, we'll end up right here. We'll end up right here. Right here, baby. Oh! It is the end of 2025. It is December 27th when I'm filming this, and in a couple days, my 2025 Mustang is technically going to be a year old in 2026. I know, big time first world problems, but I want to have a little bit of fun with you guys driving down the road. And before we get on the road, keep in mind, I'm going to be following all the rules and regulations of the street. And like I said, it's literally, let's get on the road, but like I said, it's literally December 27th, and it is still a high of like, in the high 70s today, I should say. I'm getting distracted. There's a lot of traffic, okay, so don't make fun of me. But the high is in the high 70s today, so it's extremely warm outside still. So a little bit ridiculous. And actually, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and pull over real quick, because to be quite honest with you guys, I don't remember if I hit the on button. Obviously, if you're watching this, I did. but right now, off the top of my head, I don't know if I did or not. So let's go ahead and double check this real quick. Stop at this random shifty looking car wash right here. So let's see if this thing is recording. If I did successfully hit the on button, which I did. All right, so we are recording. All right, guys, so let's finally do this. Let's stop messing around at this weird looking gas station over here, or car wash, I should say. Turn off this annoying auto stop start. And I think the speed limit on the highway is still 60. So y'all cannot make fun of me. It's not my fault. That's so low, all right? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out of here. Try and go get on the highway. I just have so much fun daily driving this thing so far, guys. I mean, really no complaints on my end. Really the only complaint is that apparently if you take this car in for service, you don't get a loaner vehicle from Ford, even though I bought this thing brand new. I guess because my mom drives a Lincoln that she bought brand new a few years ago, and she always gets a loaner vehicle if she takes it in for servicing under the factory warranty. But I guess that's just a Lincoln thing, even though they're both still technically Ford, I know. But apparently if you buy a Ford brand new, you're not entitled to some type of loaner vehicle, which is kind of crazy to me, considering, you know, these cars are like $40,000. It's kind of ridiculous for the premiums. And then the GTs, you're talking maybe even 50, so really the same price as a Lincoln. But all right, the speed limit's not super fast right now, so I don't want to go hauling butt. I'm gonna keep it to the speed limit in this video. I'm not gonna be getting myself in trouble today for you guys. Some people, I swear, I have said this in a million videos for you guys, but like, look at this guy. It's always some guy in like a junker car. Like right here, we got some old Nissan Kicks trying to cut around and speed, or it's a guy in a truck. Like, it's always those two people. I don't understand why, especially the dudes in trucks. Like, I don't know why guys driving F-150s and Chevy Silverados are so angry. And I used to drive an F-150. That was my first vehicle, was an 07 F-150. Loved that truck. But I don't remember driving that angrily, like as angry as these guys in these trucks nowadays drive. So I'm gonna be extra careful in this car since it's drizzling. A lot of people like to say, "Oh, EcoBoost is slow and everything," but this thing, you can get yourself in trouble pretty easily if you're not careful with it. Let's give it a little gas here. Again, gonna stay under the speed limit. All right, so there I'm touching the speed limit. Don't want to be going too fast. So I ain't gonna get myself in trouble, y'all. I can't afford that. So some people accuse me of driving slow, but I'm just following the rules, man. Because I ain't about to get a ticket for this nonsense right here. I just want to have fun. I haven't gotten a ticket yet. Hopefully we'll never get a ticket, especially in this car, because this thing in the Grabber Blue is kind of like a cop magnet a little bit. So that's the only bad thing. Like bright blue and bright red are probably the most ticketed cars you could probably buy, just because they're so eye-catching and obnoxious that cops just end up getting you, especially if you're speeding. So, but you guys can see, I'm just gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy this view, because and let myself enjoy the view. It's honestly beautiful up here. Let me know what you guys think below. The speed limit is 55 up here still. Oh my gosh, guys. I swear, it's literally been 55 on the interstate up here in my area where I live since I bought this vehicle over a half year ago. It's literally been 55 on the interstate the entire time. So really annoying. It's really hard to like enjoy your car. You think, like, when I was looking to buy a Mustang, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna get a fast car. It's gonna be so much fun and everything. And then when you buy this stupid thing, you realize the speed limit maxes out pretty much on the interstates and where the speed limit's really high. It literally maxes out at like 75. Like 75 miles an hour, guys, when this car could easily do in the hundreds, like no problem. Not that I've done that, because again, I follow the rules, but geez, these guys in the trucks block off the whole way. I'm gonna have to get around this guy, and he's not gonna like me for it. But these guys, man, in the 18-wheelers, I'm constantly trying to avoid them because they're just so annoying with the rocks. Like, oh my gosh. They just shoot rocks, and then they break your windshield, and then if you submit a claim, man, the insurance don't want to pay. You literally have to get a lawyer involved with the 18-wheelers, man, because they drive so fast right in the middle of the road. They're shooting rocks everywhere. There was a guy the other day, man, where I was just driving down the road. I was right about to start filming for you guys too, but I wasn't yet. And like concrete truck. He literally had dried concrete that was flaking off in the back, and he was just shooting it across the interstate up here, man. It was the most annoying thing ever. I was trying so hard to dodge him, to dodge the rocks he was shooting, man. It was ridiculous. It was like a rock shooting nightmare driving down the interstate, man. And in this car, one of the downsides is it's really low to the ground, and then it's got this really long hood in the front that you guys can see right now that just catches so many rocks, man. I remember when I first bought this thing, I literally drove it for like a month and then immediately got a rock chip in it. Like, it didn't even take that long at all. And so that's why I got, if you guys haven't been watching me, the paint protection on this car, just because like I didn't want to let the hood and everything in the front get totally destroyed. And to be honest with you guys, I'm surprised I haven't gotten a crack in my windshield, especially with all the construction and these 18-wheelers all over the place, as you guys can see, because I have caught a few rocks to the well, I was going to take this exit, but I guess not now. I have caught a few rocks to the windshield, but luckily no cracks or even like small chips or anything. I don't know how, to be honest with you guys, but hopefully, since the windshield is pretty aerodynamic, it doesn't get cracked as easily. All right, well, that's going to be pretty much it for today, for you guys today. Just wanted to take you guys for a little bit of a joyride before we hit the new year. This video honestly might not even go out until 2026. It might be like, you guys might be watching this for the first time like in February or something if I'm slow. So, but Happy New Year's to everyone out there. Hope you guys had a good 2025. I know I got some cool stuff planned for 2026 for you guys, so I hope you stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and park this thing. Make sure my GoPro is still there. It should be, but just want to double check. And then I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Oh, geez. Ooh, we'll end up right here. Right here, baby. Oh! Thanks for watching, guys. Have a happy new year. And I got some more exciting stuff coming for y'all real soon. Gonna go ahead and take this GoPro off. Make sure it's still there. And I will see you guys very soon. Thanks so much for watching.